How y'all doing today? I had a great question asked me the other day, and I feel like sharing it. The question was, why do I put blue painter's tape on the wood before I apply my pattern? And the reasoning is because of the glue. You don't want glue on your wood. It's a barrier that will stop the oils penetrating into the wood or your clear coat or whatever sealant you want to use. Another trick I use is clear packaging tape. You can apply this to the wood and you can see what the grain is going to look like. And intarsia grain is one of the most important things. It helps change the direction or flow of the pattern. And some woods have really beautiful grain you want to capture. So if you apply this down, you can see and apply your pattern right on top of that grain that you want to grab. And they also say that it lubricates your blade, the clear packing tape, which I think is a bunch of garbage. And I go through blades maybe one every 30 minutes or so the way I cut. And so there's not really much time to lubricate anything. So I think that's a myth, but let me know if I'm wrong.